Dear student, today we will discuss about hydration energy. In the last lecture we discussed about your lattice enthalpy. It is clear? So this one is also one of the most important point which is connected in many chapters and many questions we can solve with help of knowing hydration energy. Yes, energy word we are using instead of enthalpy. Sometimes it is called hydration enthalpy. Yes, in some reference book. In some of the reference book it is as a hydration energy, both are same. So here we are going to start our journey with hydration energy and many concept. So first we will start with the definition. What is hydration enthalpy? Whenever 1 mole ion which is in a gaseous state, it dissolves whenever 1 mole ion which is in gaseous state, we it when dissolves in excess water, so released heat is called hydration energy. The 1 mole gaseous ion होना चाहिए. 1 mole Na plus ion when we add into the water, when we dissolve into water, so due to attraction between them, Na plus is now became aqueous, dissolves into water, aqueous solution it gives. Sometimes we are dissolving NaCl, Na plus and Cl minus. NaCl when we dissolve into water, so it became Na plus aqua and Cl minus. Here heat will be liberates during this reaction. So whenever heat is liberating, so that process is called exothermic. In an exothermic reaction, value of delta H should be negative. Yes, sir. Whenever 1 mole ion which is in gaseous state, it when dissolves in excess amount of the water, so released heat is called hydration energy. The 1 mole ion when we dissolve, આપણે વોટરમાં ડિઝોલ્વ કરીએ ત્યારે જે હીટ રિલીઝ થાય એને જ હાઇડ્રેશન એન્થાલ્પી, હાઇડ્રેશન એનર્જી કહેવાય. Understood? Now in the group and in the period, what happens there actually? In the group, hydration energy decreases. In the period, hydration energy increases. Why? In the group, size of the ion increases, so attraction toward water decreases. So hydration enthalpy decreases from top to bottom in the group, where in the period size of the ion decreases, so it has great attraction toward water molecules, so hydration energy increases. This is trained in the group and in the period wise and group wise, that is the trend. Now, actually, hydration enthalpy depends upon density, charge density. Yes. What is charge density? We discussed about it. So, charge of ion upon radius of the ion. Yes. Charge density is equal to charge of the ion upon radius of the ion, which gives charge density. So hydration enthalpy depends upon the charge density. Having higher charge density ion has a more hydration energy. In the case of lithium, charge is +1 and radius of lithium is very low. So charge density is very high of the lithium. So when lithium comes contact to the water, so in the water there are two unpaired electrons, lone pair electrons. Lone pair means electrons which are not taking part into outermost electron, which are not participated in the formation of bond. So positive charge attracts toward negative charge of lone pair of the oxygen. Oxygen માં 6 electrons છે, એમાં 2 bonded છે અને 4 remaining છે. તો આમાંથી 4 જે electrons છે એ negatively charged છે. તો લિથિયમના પોઝિટિવ ચાર્જ સાથે એટ્રેક્ટ થાય અને attraction થી આનો પોઝિટિવ ચાર્જ આનો નેગેટિવ ચાર્જ, એટલે polar attraction occurs there, and due to polar attraction energy will be liberated. Yes, that is called hydration energy. But in the case of sodium, what happens there? Charge is 1 but radius is increased of the sodium. અહીંયા radius વધી ગઈ એટલે charge density decreases. એટલે effective charge of the positive over sodium is decreased. એટલે sodium ને attraction toward water lithium જેટલું નહીં. Understood? એટલે vapor density charge density increase થાય તો hydration energy more હોય અને charge density decrease થાય તો it should be low. Now we are going to some applications of the hydration enthalpy. This is the common fact I told you. Whenever ion is small, so charge density should be high, and whenever charge density high, so it is great attraction toward water. So whenever attraction is great, more, so release heat will be more, so hydration energy will be more. Whenever ion has a less attraction toward water, then release heat will be less. Okay, now some applications. Yes, applications of hydration energy, not uses. Applications. First one, lithium is a strong reducing agent in liquid state. Lithium is a strong reducing agent in aqueous solution. Water ma lithium behaves like a strong reducing agent. Actually, lithium is a member of group number first. which is very small in size. Electronic configuration of lithium is 2s1. Ionization enthalpy is very high of the lithium. And the releasing nature of electron should be less of the lithium. And whenever lithium experiences oxidation, so we are calling a reducing agent. એટલે જેમનો ઓક્સિડેશન થાય એમને reducing agent કહેવાય. So lithium here experiences oxidation. So we are calling that phenomenon is a reducing process, and itself experiences oxidation, so it should be reducing agent. So actually lithium should be less reducing agent. કારણ કે top to bottom in the group lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium size increases. From lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium, top to bottom size increases. Here size is increases from top to bottom. So ionization enthalpy decreases. So on the basis of it we can say removal nature of the cesium should be highest. So cesium should be highest reducing agent, and lithium ni ionization enthalpy આ 2s માં છે, close છે, આની ionization enthalpy highest છે. So lithium should be lowest reducing agent. એટલે આનું ઇલેક્ટ્રોન લૂઝ કરવાનું બિહેવિયર ઓછું હોવું જોઈએ, but wrong. Trend is something different due to hydration energy. Listen, lithium is the strongest reducing agent, where sodium is the lowest reducing agent in group number 1. Sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and lithium. Lithium is the strongest reducing agent due to ionization enthalpy. Actually, reduction potential value depends upon some factors. A lithium છે is strong reducing agent છે. Why? So here we are going to derive reduction potential. M plus oblique M means plus 1 into 0 means reduction potential. Understood? So how can? Actually reduction potential depends upon the 3 values you can see. Lithium first convert into gas. So that is called atomization enthalpy. Otherwise sublimation enthalpy. Yes sir. Lithium is actually solid. Suppose metal. Yes. Any metal has many atoms are there in the solid, in the piece of the metal. We are separating all the atoms in gaseous state. So that is atomization enthalpy. Otherwise, solid we are converting into direct gaseous state. So that is also called sublimation enthalpy. It should be positive. Solid માંથી gas convert કરવા heat આપવી જ પડે, positive. Now ionization enthalpy. So it is also endothermic, heat આપવી પડે. So one electron release થાય in gaseous state, and this ion when comes contact to the water, aqua, so it became aqueous dissolved થાય. So that is the hydration enthalpy. Superscript indicates that we are measuring in standard condition. Now M is converting into M plus. So process is oxidation. So oxidation potential. Now in reverse, plus 1 gains electron, so reduction potential. Here, what about lithium? Actually, atomization enthalpy of the lithium, ionization enthalpy of lithium is very high, no doubt. Why? Which is very small in size. So atomization enthalpy એટલે બધા આઇટમને સેપરેટ કરવા અને તેમાંથી ઇલેક્ટ્રોન રિલીઝ કરવા high energy is needed. But here charge upon radius means charge density is highest of the lithium throughout the group. So it has a great attraction toward water. So here released heat is more than these two. આ બેનો ટોટલ કરો એના કરતા released heat is more છે. So when lithium comes contact to the water, so reduction potential of negative value is highest 3.04 volt, highest due to hydration enthalpy. એટલે કોઈ પણ reduction potential value આ ત્રણ ફેક્ટર ઉપર ડિપેન્ડ કરશે: atomization enthalpy, ionization enthalpy and hydration enthalpy. Here atomization enthalpy and ionization enthalpy is already more, but hydration enthalpy is a maximum. અને આ બે કરતા it's a ક્રોસ કરી જાય, એની ઉપરવટ વહી જાય. આ બેના ટોટલ કરતા રિલીઝ સપોઝ આ +5, આ +7, +12 થાય તો -20 હોય, તો +12 -12 કટ થાય તો -8 જેટલી મોર છે, એટલે એનું રિલીઝિંગ નેચર aqueous સોલ્યુશનમાં હાઈએસ્ટ થઈ જાય. એટલે આ બેને આધારે જોઈએ તો લોએસ્ટ, બટ when it comes contact with the water એટલે reduction potential value is -3.04. it means oxidation potential is +3.04. એટલે આનું releasing nature of electron is highest in the group. So it is a strong reducing agent due to hydration energy. Understood? So trend of the reducing agent. Reducing agent એટલે શું? પોતાનું ઓક્સિડેશન થવાનું બિહેવિયર. લિથિયમ નું હાઈએસ્ટ છે અને સોડિયમ નું લોએસ્ટ. This trend of the group number 1. Understood? Now here we are discussing about its value. Value of reduction potential of the lithium -3.04 of the lithium, -2.71 of the cesium, of the sodium, sorry, not of the cesium, 2.71. Of the potassium is -2.9, 2.925, 2.925 of the potassium. Here 2.93, which is more. And of the 2.93 of sodium ni -2.71, potassium -2.925, of the rubidium -2.93, and of the cesium is -2.927. Of the rubidium, yes, here 927, sorry, 927 and 93, sorry. Yes. So you can see reduction potential value, negative value decreases. 3.04, 2.93, 2.97, 2.925, 2.71. This is the reduction potential value of the lithium, then cesium, rubidium, potassium and sodium. So lowest value of reduction negative is minus 3.4 is highest, minus 2.7 lowest. We are converting into a reduction potential, oxidation, plus 3.04, plus 2.93, 2.927, 2.925 and 2.71. Understood? Lanu losing nature highest. So lithium is the strongest reducing agent. Now element of S blocks ions ionic mobility. What is the ionic mobility? Second application is the ionic mobility. Yes, sir. What is the ionic mobility? Ions, whenever present in the solution and we are applying electric charge to it, in the solution ions are present, positive or negative. So here we are talking about ionic mobility of S block elements ions. એટલે S block ના એટલે ગ્રુપ નંબર 1 અને ગ્રુપ નંબર 2 ના ion ની mobility જોઈએ છીએ ionic. So positive ion moves toward the cathode because here cathode is negative charged. So sodium is moving toward the cathode. That is called ionic mobility. So in group number 1 you can say on the basis of size which one should be more moving particle. આ બધામાં કોની મોબિલિટી હાઈએસ્ટ હશે? And in group number 2 ions of group number 2 beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium. First thought rise in our mind, having lower ion should be moves speedy. So we can say lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Here with increasing in size, mobility, moving from one place to another place, moving nature will be decreases. But wrong. This trend is actually totally wrong. Actually ionic mobility of the lithium is the lowest and ionic mobility moving nature is the highest of the cesium. In group number 2 also highest of the barium. This is because of hydration energy. Yes, I told you lithium is very small in size. It is clear? So charge density is the highest of the lithium. Charge is +1 upon radius of lithium. Charge density highest. So it has great attraction toward water. So you can see like this. Molecules of the water surrounded to the lithium ion due to great charge density. એટલે આનો જે પોઝિટિવ ચાર્જ ને વોટર ના ઓક્સિજન ના ઇલેક્ટ્રોન્સ પર ગ્રેટ એટ્રેક્શન છે, તો એની આસપાસ જે પાર્ટિકલ ઓફ વોટર છે કમ્બાઈન થઈ જાય, that is called aqueous radius. Li plus નહીં, હવે Li plus ion હોય, હવે Li plus aqueous હોય તો Li plus ની aqueous radius ખૂબ જ મોટી થઈ જાય. From this to this area is the now aqueous area of the lithium, aqueous radius of the lithium. In the case of cesium, from lithium to cesium, charge is continue 1, but radius is increases, so charge density decreases. So cesium has a low attraction toward water. Now maximum molecules of the water surrounded to Li plus due to great charge density. In the case of cesium is already small in size. So particle of the molecule particles of the water surrounded by the cesium is very less. And here radius of the cesium ion aqueous radius કહેવાય. એટલે વોટરની આસપાસ ગોઠવાઈ ગયા પછીની રેડિયસ is a small. એટલે aqueous radius of lithium is more and aqueous radius of the cesium is small. So mobility of the lithium ion is less. એટલે વહનશીલતા મોમેન્ટ એક જગ્યાથી બીજી જગ્યાએ જવું એ લિથિયમના કેસમાં ઓછું જ્યારે cesiumમાં વધારે હશે. Same. This happens in the group number second also. Actually, beryllium having charge +2 and radius of beryllium, so it has a great charge density. Here charge density is higher than lithium also. Why? Beryllium is very small in size than Li plus. Here great attraction toward water, so due to that more particles of the molecules of the water surrounded to beryllium. So aqueous radius of beryllium became huge, so mobility became less. So ionic mobility એટલે કે એક જગ્યાથી બીજી જગ્યાએ સ્થળાંતર થવું. બેરિલિયમ, મેગ્નેશિયમ, કેલ્શિયમ, સ્ટ્રોન્શિયમ and barium, it is decreases. From beryllium to barium it is decreases. So conductivity is less. Now in the group number 1, listen, in the group number 1, aqueous radius of the lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium. I am talking about not ionic radius but aqueous ionic radius. એની આસપાસ water surrounded હોય ત્યારે 3.40 in angstrom. 3.40. Then after sodium having 2.767. 2.767. Then in case of potassium 2.32. And now in the case of rubidium it is more. 2.28. It is less. And in the cesium it is very small, near about 2.27. So you can see these are not ionic radius, these are the aqueous radius of the alkali metals. આની સાઇઝ big છે એટલે એની conductivity less હશે, તો natural છે. And now these are the aqueous radius. Now hydration enthalpy. Yes, sir. Lithium possesses 514.7 kilojoule per mole. The 1 mole Li plus ion when comes contact to the water, so 514.7 kilojoule it liberates. In the case of sodium 405.9 kilojoule per mole. Energy never should be negative. it gives the direction. Minus means released heat. Now 322.2. In all values are in kilojoule per mole. Then in radium, rubidium, yes, it is also decreased 292.9. And in the case of cesium, it is only 54.5 kilojoule per mole, which is very, very less. In the group number second, this is the group number 1. Now we are going to in group number second. Yes. Now in the group number second, tell me, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium. Now aqueous radius, otherwise hydration enthalpy. You can see here aqueous radius value is not needed, only we are discussing about hydration enthalpy. Aqueous radius is highest of beryllium, then magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium. Only trained you have to remember, not value. Here only trained hydration enthalpy highest of the beryllium 2406. For the better understanding, I am giving you values, no need to you remember. Then 1929. With increasing in size, hydration enthalpy decreases, obviously. So 1632. Then strontium 1485 and 1276 kilojoule per mole. Now listen, element of the first group hydration enthalpy is less, but element of the second group having high. Why? Because element of group number 1 are huge in size, where element of group number second are small in size. So it has a great attraction toward water. So hydration enthalpy is highest in the case of group number second. And this is also called hydration degree. Yes, value of hydration enthalpy is called hydration degree. Hydration degree of the lithium in group number 1 is the highest. So LiCl gives a hydrated salt. What is hydrated and hygroscopic? Both are different. NaCl, KCl is not hydrated salt but hygroscopic, where LiCl is hydrated. Both are different. In the hydrated crystal having 1 mole lithium chloride having 2 mole water inside the crystal. In the arrangement of the particle, 2 mole water is present in its crystal. Here water is not present inside the crystal, but it absorbed some moisture, so it looks like a moisturous. So that is hygroscopic. જેને આપણે કહે ભેજ શોષક, ખાલી ભેજ શોષે ભીનું થાય, બરાબર, તો એ હાઇગ્રોસ્કોપિક છે. These are hydrated. In group number 1 only lithium chloride gives hydrated salt. 1 mole LiCl હોય તો 2 mole water inside arranged હોય છે, where NaCl KCl is not hydrated. into H2O નહીં લખીએ, into H2O નહીં, પણ એની સરફેસ ઉપર કોઈ પણ થોડું ઘણું મોઇસ્ટ હોય છે, તો એને હાઇગ્રોસ્કોપિક કહેવાય છે. which is called a hygroscopic. Now, reducing nature of the group number second elements. Another application, reducing nature of a second periods element. Second group, not period. Second group's element. In the second group, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Here, ionization enthalpy highest of the beryllium, and from top to bottom ionization enthalpy decreases. So losing nature should be increases of the group number second elements. Like group number 1, group number 1 માં highest કેમ lithium હતું એમ beryllium નહીં થાય. Yes, group number 1 માં highest reducing agent lithium હતું, તો અહીં highest beryllium નહીં થાય. There is some reason. Here reduction potential मूल्य, reduction potential value here we are changing some you can see. First we have to compare group number first ma lithium, group number second ma beryllium. Right, trend याद છે lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. Trend કયો તો lithium is the highest lithium, and sodium lowest. આવું ટ્રેન્ડ હતું. તો બેરિલિયમમાં એવું નહીં થાય એમ કહું છું. It not happens in the beryllium. Here from beryllium to barium, reducing nature increases continuously without any exception. Why? I am telling you. Why this happens? Here value of the reduction potential for beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. Here radium is radioactive. In the group number second, it is +2/n, minus 1.97 volt, then 2.36 in volt. For calcium it is minus 2.84. For strontium minus 2.89. For the barium, which is 2.92, and for radium also round about 2.92. So you can see negative value of the reduction potential is increases. So here this one is a reduction potential. So M/M plus 2 gives a oxidation potential 1.97, 2.36, 2.84, 2.89, 2.92 and 2.92. It is gradually increases. So here we can say losing nature of electron for beryllium is very less. So it is a less reducing agent, where barium is a more reducing agent. Why this happens? Beryllium to barium. Why this happens? And we know value of the reduction potential are depending upon three factors. For beryllium solid when converts into beryllium gas, So atomization enthalpy, otherwise it is a sublimation enthalpy. Here beryllium is converting into beryllium plus 2 ion. So that is ionization enthalpy 1 and 2. Now beryllium plus 2 ion comes contact to the aqua, water. So it gives aqueous electron release there, and that process is the oxidation potential, and reverse of it is the reduction potential. Electron lose by oxidation, gain the reduction potential. Here hydration enthalpy is the negative. Actually, ionization enthalpy is more of beryllium than lithium. And 2s1 છે, here 2s2 છે. The ionization enthalpy highest of the beryllium. Yes, first and second both. Atomization enthalpy also more. Hydration enthalpy is more than group number first element, but atomization enthalpy and ionization enthalpy is too much more. So hydration enthalpy is not balancing this enthalpies. Let's suppose 15 plus 5 20. So this one 22. એટલી બધી much more નથી. જેમ કે અહીંયા આની atomization enthalpy, ionization enthalpy તો hydration enthalpy much more છે. Here આની atomization enthalpy, ionization enthalpy કરતા hydration enthalpy more છે, but not much more. So it is the less reducing agent. Understood? Here in the group number second, understood? Hydration enthalpy is more. Yes. Group number 1 na ions karta group number 2 na ions are small in size. So hydration enthalpy is more of the group number 1 elements, ions. But so it gives a more hydrated salt. So MgCl2 gives 6H2O. In 1 mole MgCl2 and in 1 mole calcium chloride, in the crystal 6 mole of water is included there. So which is more hydrated. The group number second ma only magnesium and calcium gives a hydrated salt. In group number 1 only lithium chloride gives hydrated salt. Why? Elements of group number 2. Another application. Why? Elements of group number 2 having +2 oxidation state. +2 oxidation state. Stable. Not 1. Yes, sir. Elements of group number second having +2 oxidation state which is stable. Why? If you think beryllium loses 1 electron, so +1. Then after another, so +2. First ionization enthalpy karta second ionization enthalpy should be more. So +1 should be more stable than +2 હોવું જોઈએ. No. Actually beryllium +2, here +1 any charge density લ્યો, +1 upon radius. Here charge density લ્યો, +2 upon radius. So here charge density is highest in the case of beryllium plus 2, then plus 1. So when it comes to contact in the water, hydration enthalpy is highest in the case of beryllium plus 2, then beryllium plus 1. So it gives a plus 2 ion. And another reason for that electronic configuration also. Here is helium 2s2. After losing 2 electron, it became inert like a helium type of configuration. It became inert. For these two reasons, group number second element possesses plus 2 oxidation number. Here also sodium, I am giving you example. Sodium, we are comparing hydration enthalpy of sodium. Here radius of the Na plus ion is 102 picometer and radius of the calcium is 102 picometer. Hydration enthalpy of the sodium is minus 397. Yes, 397 kilojoule per mole. Where hydration enthalpy of the calcium is water for the attraction greater is round about 4 times more. 4 16. 1650 kilojoule per, so it is 4 times more. At least plus 2 instead it is more stable. Now actinoids and lanthanoids. Actinoids and lanthanoids gives plus 3 oxidation state, more stable. Another application of the hydration and enthalpy. Yes, lanthanoids and actinoids gives plus 3 having oxidation state more stable. Lanthanoids and actinoids gives plus 3 having oxidation state more stable. Why? Actually, first ionization enthalpy of lanthanoids, then second ionization enthalpy, so it gives plus 2, then third ionization enthalpy is plus 3. But here charge density plus 1 upon radius, plus 2 upon radius and plus 3 upon radius, which is highest in the plus 3 charge density. So it has a great attraction toward water. So lanthanoids and actinoids gives plus 3 oxidation state, which is dominant, means very stable. Reduction potential of copper is plus 0.34. Another application. Reduction potential of copper is plus 0.34, which is not negative. Why? Here reason for that, here copper solid first convert into copper gas. So that is atomization enthalpy, otherwise sublimation. Superscript means standard. Now copper loses 1 electron. So first ionization enthalpy, copper loses another electron. So second ionization enthalpy, and this Cu plus 2 ion comes contact to the water, it gives Cu plus 2 ion. So it releases it is called hydration enthalpy. Understood? Here copper into copper solid into copper gas, and copper gas into Cu plus 2, needed heat is very high, then its hydration enthalpy. The positive values total is more than negative values total. So our total answer is the positive. So our reduction potential of the copper is the positive, not the negative. So here reduction potential of the copper. Why? This is the trick to get reduction potential of the copper. અહીંયા એટોમાઇઝેશન માટે હીટ આપવી પડે, આયનાઇઝેશનમાં હીટ આપવી પડે. વોટરના કોન્ટેક્ટમાં એટલે હાઇડ્રેશન થાય ત્યારે હીટ રિલીઝ થાય, પણ રિલીઝ હીટ કરતાં એબ્ઝોર્બ હીટ મોર છે. સો વેલ્યુ ઇઝ પોઝિટિવ of the reduction, and here value of the oxidation will be minus. So it means that copper માંથી ઇલેક્ટ્રોનનું losing nature ખૂબ જ less negative છે. We have to need more energy to release the electron from the copper. And now last one, copper having two oxidation number, +1 and +2. So which one is more stable? Copper having two oxidation state. So copper +2 is more stable than +1. We can also say on the basis of hydration energy. Actually configuration of copper 29, 4s1 3d10. So in the case of +1, one electron is removed from 4s, so it is 3d10. Now in the case of +2, one is from 4s and one from 3d, so there are 3d9. So what happens actually? On the basis of configuration we can say Cu +1, 3d10 is more stable, 3d9 unstable. So on the basis of configuration we can say +1 should be more stable, but wrong. Actually practically proven that Cu +2 ion is more stable than +1 due to hydration enthalpy. Here density, charge density +1 upon radius, charge density, charge upon radius of +2. So this one possesses great attraction toward water. So release height is more. So which balance ionization enthalpy of both +1 and +2. એના કરતા એની hydration enthalpy is more. So copper +2 is more stable than +1 ion. I hope you enjoyed your lecture, and you have to do in your homework today, you have to solve questions asked in NEET and JEE on the basis of hydration energy. You will really enjoy. Try it and like button in my YouTube channel. Bye. We will meet about solubility in the next lecture.